Hello student, how are you? Today I will tell you very important question for exam point of view. Question number 14. In question number 14, we have to prove that determinant of order 3 by 3 equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Let us observe the element of first row. Okay. In element of the first row, first element having A, second element also having A, and third element also having A. In the second row, first element having B, third element also having B, and second element also having B. But you have to observe this very carefully. In third row, first element having C and second element also having C, but be careful, third element also having C. Okay, if all, if if the first row having first row A is common from the first row, B is you can take common from the second row, and C you can take common from the third row. After taking common ABC from first, second, third row respectively, I will write taking A, B, C common from R1, R2, R3 respectively. Therefore, the new form of determinant will be like that. ABC will be common from first, second, third row. It will be A, if you will take A common, what will be? A plus 1 upon A. A plus 1 upon A. If you will multiply by this, A, you will get A square plus 1. This is B, this is C. Taking B common from the second row, it will be B plus 1 upon B and C. If you will take C common from third row, it will become A, B, C plus 1 upon C. This one. Okay. You have taken common ABC from first row, second row, third row. Now, multiply the column first by this A, column second by this B, column third by this C. Multiplying first column by this A, multiplying second column by this B, and multiplying third column by this C. After multiplication, you will get, okay, row wise you have taken common and column wise you are multiplying by the same element. So after multiplying by ABC, you will get A square plus 1 A square A square. Second column will be B square plus 1 B square. Third column will be C square plus 1. Okay? Clear everybody? Okay. Now, the next step, if you will apply the operation, C1 changes C1 plus C2 plus C3, you will get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. In first, you will get all element of the first columns are in the form of 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So you will apply the operation. C1 changes C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now, the new form of determinant will be 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. No change in the second column. B square plus 1, b square, c square and c square plus 1. Now come to the next step. What is common from the first column? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square is common. So it will come out from whole determinant. You know by the property. 1, 1, 1. b square plus 1 b square c square plus 1. My dear student, I have already told you, if the element of any column become unit, so you will apply the row operation to convert any two element into a zero. So for this, you will apply the operation R1 changes R1 minus R2 and R2 changes R2 minus R3. After applying this operation, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 minus 1, 0, b square minus b square minus 1 equal to minus 1. C square minus c square 0. 1 minus 1 0. B square plus 1 minus b square 1. And c square minus c square minus 1 minus 1. And 1 b square c square plus 1. Now expand in the respect of first column, plus minus plus. After expanding in the respect of the first column, you will left. No need to expand in the respect of this because it's 0, 0, plus minus plus. Only will expand in the respect of the third column. You will left first column and third row. After this, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Means this will, after solving, you will get the value of this one is 1. So final answer 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Hence 2. So that's all, my dear student. I hope you understand this question. This is very, very important for exam point of view. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.